See the action.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Wonderful people.
Cheers. Well, thank you for coming to see us.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is beautiful.
Cheers. We'll put something in.
Never do everyone else. I'm lucky. Do you know that?
The local wine.
Yes, this is our Vino della Chiesa after the church at the bottom of the valley, built in 1270.
Beautiful.
It's a Sangiovese Merlot blend, and we're very proud of it and looking forward to making lots of other exciting wines in the future. I've always wanted to be involved in making wine, and it's a dream come true to be able to drink the wine and look down over the vineyards.
Yes, I mean, you made the move that many people dream of doing. You moved from Australia to Italy, and doesn't it require a lot of courage? I mean, it's stepping out of your comfort zone, it's maybe taking a risk.
It was a risk, and we left jobs and we left homes, left our families, but we knew, I think, all the time that when I first saw this property, I realised it was just beautiful. It was what we wanted, the views, and we knew in the end that if we had to, we could go back to being accountants or being a teacher, and the market at the time was very good, so we could easily have sold it. So it was a risk, but I think I knew in my heart of hearts that it would be fine.
Senior girls, they're like little Italians.
Yeah.
They speak Italian very well. For you two, was it a little bit harder to fit into the local community?
Yeah, I think so. Well, I mean, it takes time to develop your language skills, and we worked hard, and we said some terrible things at the beginning, but we persevered, and we talked to the parents on school pickups, and two children are born here, so you have to learn to, you go through the hospital system. It's been a slow process. The girls will tell you we've still got a long way to go. We'll sometimes write something and we'll say, is that correct? And they'll go and show the other one and say, look what they've written. And they're all with laughter, and then they'll come back and correct it. We struggle to talk about and understand Italian politics, but I think most people in this country are like that. Italy is one of the best places in the world for kids to grow up. Their whole all-encompassing family attitude.
Yeah.
If your kids make noise in a restaurant, everybody thinks it's charming. I think we wanted them to grow up, didn't we, outside and with animals.
Yeah, the countryside, isn't it?
So have we found la dolce vita here?
Yeah, I think for us it's, if we were back working in the UK or in Australia, being an accountant, I would have had to go out to work and, work those long hours in the offices. David maybe being a teacher, it's very hard to live on a teacher's salary, so he probably would have been at home with the children. And this way, we can have that life where both of you are there with the children in the morning, both of you there in the evenings. And when you're working, we still work long hours, but working for ourselves, we're not working for somebody else. So it is, for us, it's a great way to bring up a family, and it's a great way to, we think it's a good life.
Well, cheers to that, and cheers to a great wine too, David. Fantastic.